One Point Japanese for Beginners. Hello everybody, how's it going? So today I would like to teach you how to write basic Japanese hiragana characters. So let's dive in. So if you are a beginner, this is Japanese 50 sounds. So I want you to take a look for left side. So left side is basic vowel sounds. So first line, okay? So that's a very important. So first step, you have to know the Japanese vowel sounds. So I'm gonna show you Japanese vowel sounds. A, I, U, E, O. Did you see that? So this is the Japanese vowel sounds. That's all we have. Okay? So if you are American English vowel sounds have 13 different sounds. So Japanese only have a simple 5. So very easy to speak. So let's do one by one. Repeat after me. A, I, U, E, O. Very good. So we're gonna start to write it down. First A. Okay. So pen and a paper handy. Here we go. Diagonal up. Curve. Opposite curve. Again opposite curve, and then round shape and then sweep. Okay, so let's go to one more time. Little bit that diagonal, that not too much, and curve a little bit, don't too much like this, and another curve, opposite curve, and then another curve, and up and round shape and sweep. Okay, so take a look. This is up, okay? So round, okay? This is actually stop, stop. This is the same line, okay? This is actually stop, stop too, okay? And then next one, this is a stop part. So you have to curve, another curve, and then another curve, and then going to up, round shape and sweep. So you have a space here, okay? And then when you write it down, 1, 2, 3, like this. You have to continue like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's write it down one more time. 1, 2, it's curve, okay? Stop, stop, sweep. Okay? Let's go to one more time. Stop, diagonal up, stop, stop, curve a little bit, and then another curve, opposite curve, and then another opposite curve, and go up and round the shape and sweep. Okay, so when you write it down, I told you 1, 2, 3. Okay, so don't go this way, don't go too much curve, don't do like that. Okay, so follow those steps. Okay, next character is E. Curve, skip up, curve down. Okay, let's go to curve, up, curve, curve down. So take a look. This of a space here, okay, and then this is a stop, stop, the skip, right? Stop, stop. This side is more shorter than this side, okay, and also have to be continued like this. That's why 1, 2, okay. So stop, stop, up, stop, down, okay. So many people write it down like this, like a little bit more longer like this, or too curvy. It's not good, okay. So take a look one more time. Curve a little bit up, little bit down, but not too short, not too long. So follow those steps. So let's go to the next character. U, u, have to be diagonal, and then round the shape, and then sweep. Okay. So let's go to diagonal, and then round the shape and sweep. Okay, so take a look. This is a stop, 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 a sweep, sweep, right? So it is continue. That's why when you write it down, 1, 2, also space here. Alright, take a look one more time. 1, diagonal, round the shape, sweep. So this is halfway, okay. So finish is better to half size, okay. Don't go too much this way. So half. And also this is a kind of in the middle, okay. Many people like this. That's not right. You have to have a balance set, okay. So let's go to one more time. Continue. Okay, so follow these steps. Next character is A. Diagonal down, diagonal up, diagonal down, the half of way come back, and then zigzag, and then stop. Okay, I'm gonna do one more time. Diagonal down, little bit of diagonal up, not too much, down diagonal, and then halfway come back, down zigzag, and stop. Okay, so take a look for this one. Diagonal, this is a diagonal, diagonal, halfway come back, and then zigzag, stop, stop. So this is a stop, 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 stop. This is never sweep. So continue here, okay. So and also this line is the same line. Okay, so when you write it down, 1, I continue, 2, stop. Okay, let's go write it down one more time. 1, diagonal up, diagonal down, halfway come back, then zigzag and stop. So don't go too much this one, gonna be up. It's not right. Somebody write down like this, so same line here. Okay, so the last one, diagonal down, diagonal up, diagonal down, I halfway come back, and then zigzag, and then boom. So this line have to be same. Okay, so follow those steps. So last character is O. So So let's go to diagonal up, straight down, right, round shape, up, diagonal down. Let's go to the one more time. Diagonal up, not too much. Let's go to the straight down, right, up to round shape, then come back, diagonal down. Okay, so take a look. This is a stop, 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 stop. This is a sweep, skip up, stop, stop. Okay, so you need a space here, but this space is a little bit smaller, and then this is a continue again. Okay, so like this. Okay, so that's why when you write it down, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 3 stroke. Let's try it one more time. I diagonal up, I straight down, and then round the shape, and then boom. Okay, so this is in the middle. You don't starting for the in the middle. Okay, so if you starting for the in the middle, go like this. So this is too big. That's not good. Okay, you have to have a left side, starts a little bit left side, and then diagonal up, down, straight, and then round the shape, and then up, boom. Okay, so follow those steps. Okay, how you feel so far so good? Let's review. A, E, U, E, O, Okay, quiz time. What is this? U. What is this? O. What is this? E. What is this? A. What is this? E. Great work! So, try to write each character 5 times a day, okay? So, here is practice sheet. So, you can take screenshot and then you can print out if you want, alright? So, thanks for watching. See you next writing practice video. Bye for now. 頑張って。